Hello, I'm making spinach omelette. In Farsi, we call it nargesi. For 5 people, we need 1 medium onion, 5 eggs, 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of feta cheese, salt, pepper, turmeric powder, 1 large pack of washed spinach, 1 fresh garlic stalk, or 3 cloves of garlic. To serve, I use rye bread, sour cream, radish, and pomegranate. In a non-stick large frying pan, add half a tablespoon of cooking oil and add butter to cooking oil. Adding butter to oil stop it from burning. When the butter melts, add finely chopped onion and garlic. Then chop the spinach roughly and put it in a large pan. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to get rid of excess water. Squeeze the spinach to get rid of water and then add it to golden onion. So you don't need to really fry the onion, just golden color is perfect. Stir well. Add turmeric, salt, pepper as much as you like. Stir it really well. Narges in Farsi means daffodil, and when you break the egg, it looks like daffodil flower. That's why we call it nargesi. Add feta cheese on top. If you don't cover it, you get this beautiful color, but I like to cover, then it cooks much better. It takes about 10 minutes or so to get ready. Serve it with any kind of bread you like, and it's really nice with sour cream. Enjoy.